Hello, everyone. Welcome to this video on creating an HR Employees Details dashboard in Bold BI. This dashboard offers a real-time overview of the workforce by visualizing key metrics like headcount, demographics, department distribution, and attrition. It supports fast decision-making with insights into attendance trends and employee performance. Users can drill into detailed profiles, roles, and tenure for deeper analysis. With dynamic filters and automatic data refresh, the dashboard enables easy comparisons across departments and time periods, helping HR improve workforce planning and operational efficiency with insights into attendance trends and employee performance. First, create a new dashboard and name it HR Employee Details Dashboard. Next, create a data source for HR employee details data using PostgreSQL and enter the required connection details. Data source name, server name, port, username, password, and database name. Select Connect to open the Query Designer and enable the code option. Enter your query and select Run to see the values retrieved from the database. Save the data source. Next, add a combo box to the dashboard designer. Name the widget Departments. Add the team to the assigned data field. In basic settings, click Enable Multi-Select. In Filter, disable Persist Virtual Selection. And in Container Appearance, change the font size. Next, add another combo box. Name the widget Employees. Add Employee ID in the Value section. And Employee Name in the Display column. Customize its properties. Next, add a stacked column chart. Name it Employees by Age Group. Add Employee ID and Value. Rename it Employees and set it to a distinct count. Add expressions for age difference and employee age difference. Add employee age difference to column and rename it Age Split. Add gender to row. In basic settings, click Enable Animation and Show Value Label. In the Legend settings, disable interactivity, set position to top, and shape to series type. In the Axis section, disable both Show Axis titles and change label rotation to -45 degrees. In Series Palette, disable Default Palette and change the bar color. In Container Appearance, disable Title Auto Font Size and change font size. Next, add a donut chart. Naming it Employees by Status. Add Employee ID in the Values section and rename it. Add Employee Activity Status and rename it in the column. Add Employee ID in the Tooltips section. In Basic Settings, click Enable Animation checkbox and select Percentage option for data label. In the Legend settings, enable Legend. Disable interactivity. Change the position from bottom to top and shape from circle to series type. In Series Palette, click Advanced Settings checkbox and change the color of the activity status of 3 employees. In Font Settings, disable the auto font size and set it for the Legend, Legend title, and Value label. Then, in Container Appearance, disable Title's auto font size and set the font size. Next, add another stacked column chart. Name it employees by gender and experience. Add employee ID to value. Rename it employees. And set it to distinct count. Add expressions for year difference. And employee experience. Add employee experience to column. And rename it. Add gender to row. Customize its properties. Add a radial gauge. And name it employee retention rate. Add expressions for active employees. Inactive employees. And employee retention rate. Drag the employee retention rate to actual value. Rename it. And set % on the right. Add description. In basic settings, change the type to half circle. And click Enable Animation. In the pointer settings, change the value pointer to range with needle. In font settings, change the font size for the actual value. In container appearance, set font size. Add another radial gauge. And name it Employee Net Promoter Score. Drag the NPS to actual value. Format it to average. And set %. Customize its properties. Add another radial gauge. And name it Employee Turnover Ratio. Add an expression for it. Drag the employee turnover ratio to actual value. Customize its properties. Add one more radial gauge. And name it Absentee Rate. Add expressions for absences. And absence rate. Drag the absence rate to actual value. Set the %. Customize its properties. Next, add a heat map widget. Name it Employee's Salary by Department. Add an expression for net salary. Add net salary. And format it into currency in the value section. Drag and drop the month year and x-axis. And set it to month year. Add team to y-axis. In x-axis settings, disable show axis title. In y-axis settings, disable show axis title. Then, in container appearance, disable title auto font size. And set the font size. Next, add a bar chart. And name it Productivity Rate by Department. Add expressions for productivity. And productivity rate. Drag the productivity rate to the value section. And set %. Add team to column. In basic settings, select Enable Animation. And show value label. In Legend, disable interactivity. In Axis, disable both axis titles. In Formatting, change the productivity rate color. Then, in Container Appearance, disable titles auto font size. And set font size. Next, add a bar chart. And name it Overall Labor Effectiveness. Add expressions for utilization. And overall labor effectiveness. Drag overall labor effectiveness to value. Add team to column, and customize its properties. Then add a grid widget, and name it Employee Feedback Details. Drag Employee ID, Employee Name, Team, Designation, Performance Rating, and Feedback to Value. In basic settings, enable Fit to Content, vertical grid lines, and allow cell selection. In header settings, change foreground color and row height. In the content settings, change row height. In container appearance, change the font size. Lastly, add another grid widget and name it Employee Training and Development Details. Drag Employee ID, Employee Name, Training Completion Rate, Skill Improvement, Engagement in Learning. Time to competency. ROI of training. And employee feedback to value. Customize its properties. Now everything is ready to preview the dashboard. Click Preview, and the dashboard will render in preview mode. Once the dashboard is created, you can publish it by clicking the Publish button. In this video, you've learned how to create an HR Employees Details dashboard in Bold BI. If you found this video useful, please click the like button. Subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.